Welcome back. It is the first video of the year, and you know we had to start it off right. Let's get into today's interesting recipe. You see blue cheese ranch and some mild buffalo wing sauce, so you could probably already guess what we're going to do. We are going to be making buffalo chicken sliders today. Let's go ahead and heat up our skillet with a little oil, get it nice and warm. And while our skillet is skilleting, let's move on to our chicken breast. Let's go ahead and season these girls. And of course, we always start off with some salt and pepper. A little onion and garlic powder. Let's add some paprika. And Weber's Kickn Chicken. I'm gonna spice it up some Creole seasoning. And let's rub this in and flip them over. We'll be adding a little bit of Sazon. We're going to take half of our ranch packet. And that's going to be it for the back of our chicken breast. Let's rub that in as well. And we're going to let our chicken breast sit for a minute just to marinate, about 5 or 10 minutes. And after your girls have rested, let's move on to this hot skillet and get to tossing them in, y'all. So we're just going to let them cook on both sides for a few minutes until they are nice and crispy brown. It's been a few minutes, so let's flip them over and they should look something like this. You can see all that seasoning, those flavors, how crispy. And once the other side is done, we're just going to be adding about half of the can of this chicken broth, just a little bit to cover it. This is going to make our chicken breast nice and juicy. We're going to let those simmer for a few minutes. Go ahead and turn down that heat. And y'all, so after about 15 minutes on both sides, it's been about 15 minutes, we're gonna flip over our chicken breast and let them cook another 15 minutes in the chicken broth. And in the meantime, we're gonna take about a couple tablespoons of butter and just get that melted for about 30 seconds. While that is in the microwave, let's take out our juicy chicken breast, y'all. You see how it's shredding because we finna tear it up. And this one is falling apart. That's what we want for our buffalo chicken sliders. Oh, y'all ready to eat? This is what you want, baby. If it ain't looking like this, you ain't doing it right. So while our chicken breast is cooling off, let's take our melted butter and get our pan ready. We're just gonna butter the bottom of our pan so our sliders don't burn. And to give it a little bit more flavor, of course. Let's add in our slider buns. We're using Hawaiian Roll sliders. We're going to be adding a little bit of mozzarella cheese to the bottom. And then let's go back to our chicken. Get you 2 forks and get to shredding. You're gonna get tired, don't worry. it's for a good cause. So go ahead and just keep shredding until you like the shredding. And it should look something like this. Beautiful, darling, beautiful. So let's go ahead and add in about a cup of our mild buffalo wing sauce, about half a cup of ranch, and we're going to be using about a third a cup of blue cheese. And if you're not a fan of blue cheese, you can not use blue cheese at all, or less than 1/3 of a cup, because blue cheese can be a little strong. And then we're going to add the rest of our ranch seasoning packet from earlier. Add some pepper, some more Creole seasoning, and we'll be adding a little bit of grated Parmesan. Let's mix that all together, and then we'll get ready to assemble our buffalo chicken sliders, y'all. So once your chicken is nice and gooey, let's add them to our sliders. I have already added a little bit of ranch dressing to the bottom of the sliders as well. Add in all of your chicken. After you've added all your chicken, you can add some more cheese. We're just adding some grated Parmesan, some more mozzarella, let's add in a little bit more ranch. All right, y'all, add a little bit more buffalo sauce, and then assemble and add the top of your slider buns. All right, y'all, to top it all off, we're gonna use the rest of our melted butter and glaze the top of our buns. Add you some parsley for a little bit more of decor. And then we're gonna pop these in our 350-degree oven for about 10-15 minutes until our sliders are nice and golden brown. And y'all, look at our buffalo chicken sliders. You can see that cheese in the middle. Woo! Y'all, this is such a cute recipe. You gotta make sure you eat it all. Just eat it all. This is perfect for the parties, perfect for dinner. Super simple, easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, y'all, look at that close up. Close up, yeah. I'm finna tear it up. But I will see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.